Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming basics: device type, router model, and firmware so you know which fixes apply. Next, inspect physical connections and LEDs. A loose cable or amber light tells you something specific. Once done, log in with the admin password or open the router app and note the device IP. Make sure the device itself has Wi-Fi enabled and airplane mode off. These checks quickly eliminate common causes and let you move to targeted troubleshooting. You now perform deeper steps. Reboot router and device, then test both 2, 4 and 5 GHz bands to isolate band-specific issues. If IP conflicts appear, renew the DHCP lease or assign a static IP in the correct subnet. This resolves many connectivity errors. Update router firmware and your device's Wi-Fi drivers, and if needed, reset network settings without wiping user data. Make sure to retest after each change, so you know you finish by verifying stable connectivity and reapplying secure settings. If everything else failed, factory reset the router, then reconfigure SSID, password, and WPA2/WPA3 settings. Save a backup of the configuration file. Run diagnostics. Ping the gateway, trace route to a public server, and a speed test to confirm throughput. If problems persist, isolate the issue with a mobile hotspot to see if the ISP or router is at fault. This single tip often.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.